Hello, what's up lur? Kembali lagi di channel Bang Kotan, channel yang akan membahas sebuah alur cerita film. Kali ini kami akan mereview sebuah alur cerita dari film Snake Eyes dengan seri G.I. Joe Origin yang rilis pada tanggal 23 Juli tahun 2021. Film ini diproduksi oleh Metro Goldwyn Mayer, Skydance Media Entertainment One, dan di Bonaventura Picture, dan didistribusikan oleh Paramount Picture. Seperti biasa, sebelum ke videonya, kita intro sebentar lur. Di awal film, kita diperlihatkan seorang anak dan ayahnya sedang berbincang-bincang. Saat malam harinya, rumah mereka disantroni oleh seseorang, dan di sini ada sedikit perbincangan serta perkelahian.
No, that's too bad.
Scene berpindah di sebuah tempat pertarungan. Kemudian anak kecil waktu itu sekarang sudah dewasa, yang bernama Snake Eyes, dan dia berbincang-bincang dengan Kenta.
Nor did they ever find the killer. Come work for me, and I promise.
Wrong guy.
You haven't heard my offer
I
yet.
don't care.
Homicide a bit.
Scene berpindah ke Los Angeles. Di sini Snake Eyes pun bekerja, dan ada instruksi dari bosnya di situ. Kemudian ada pertarungan.
Want trouble?
Fear just one simple thing. Trust.
Hi!
Tommy's powerful sons.
And you are one of its most disgraced.
Now can we go?
This way.
No.
Saat itu Snake Eyes terluka dan saat terbangun dia sudah ada di sebuah pesawat. Dan mereka pun berbincang-bincang sebentar di sini.
We're both next in line to become leader. I was given my responsibility through greed. In a ring.
Saat sampai di Tokyo, Snake Eyes diajak ke rumah Tommy. Dan mereka berbincang sebentar dengan Akiko. Lalu diajak bertemu dengan ketua klan di situ.
Leader of our clan rarely meets outsiders. Snake Eyes,
Are in your debt, which means Japan.
I want you to join us.
Not yet.
Someday I will. Yes. Our ninja brought peace and as you of all of us should know.
To the challenges.
I'm sorry, the three challenges of the one.
Saat itu, Snake Eyes diajak berkeliling dengan Tommy. Dan diajari bertarung di sini.
How American. We need to get farther. We'll be listening to you complain about it.
Nothing on any of our facial recognition platforms. This stray dog. I wasn't questioning your loyalty.
Just to sound like a grandmother. If I'm just saying.
Most importantly, how to live according.
Silence!
Challenge 1. Times, and your training is over before it begins. That's 1.
To harmony.
Saat malam harinya, Snake Eyes mengobrol dengan Akiko. Dan ada perayaan di sini.
If I'm to lead the clan into the next 100 years, but can master the Arashikage mindset to become.
Blind Master, on the other hand.
Lalu Snake Eyes mendatangi Genta dan berbincang-bincang di situ.
I didn't know if he would show up.
You worked. You earned history. Now you try to kill him and he cast you out of the
Gift for you.
Where?
There's a priceless artifact hidden in the castle.
Saat pagi hari, Tommy berbincang-bincang dengan Snake Eyes. Lalu dia bertarung dengan Akiko.
Belongs us, but that is a dangerous temptation.
You know what I mean.
The masters and me.
You.
Do you think you deserve it? What makes you think you can use it? You like your it?
Saat itu, Tommy, Akiko, dan Snake Eyes melakukan sebuah misi.
on the street.
Setelah melakukan misinya, mereka pun ngobrol di markas.
Should we be worried?
To bringing about global revolution through violence,
Her name's Anna de Cobre, aka Baroness. Since we lost touch, she's been...
Saat malam hari, Snake Eyes mendatangi Kenta. Di sini dia bertemu dengan Baroness dan ada perbincangan.
Have her own agenda. There's no reason.
You want me to steal this for Cobra, isn't it?
Now, of course, if you've had a change of heart, you're free to go. All that rage. You have 3 days. Kid better.
Saat itu Snake Eyes ngobrol dengan Blind Master dan dia mengingat masa lalunya.
You saved yourself. It's the only.
You must unburden yourself.
Lalu Snake Eyes ngobrol kembali dengan Akiko.
I followed you into the city. Dangerous to this clan. You don't know what
I'm gonna try to find out why. Just as if he didn't exist.
That's why I couldn't find you.
I've done unforgivable things I wish I could tell you.
I see that you have a clouded mind.
Saat pagi hari, Snake Eyes menjalani tantangan selanjutnya. Kemudian ada Akiko yang menyelamatkannya.
Not everybody else.
Lalu Tommy berbincang-bincang dengan Snake Eyes. Kemudian dia pergi dari situ. Namun ada penyusup di sini. Ternyata itu Snake Eyes. Dan dia pun bertarung dengan Akiko. Setelah mendapatkan permatanya, Snake Eyes kabur dari situ. Lalu Akiko serta Tommy mengejarnya. Dan ada obrolan di sini antara Kenta dan Snake Eyes.
hope. Time for him to learn a lesson.
You have placed the clan at So, do you have it?
Destroy the clan.
I killed a lot of people. When you live, you better think! Gunpoint.
Saat Snake Eyes mengetahui semuanya dari Cobra, dia membantu Akiko dan Tommy. Di tempat lain, klannya diserang oleh pasukannya Kenta.
Terrible idea.
Very noble, but the promise is not yours to make.
With this jewel,
You protect my grandmother. I'll go after the jewel. Die.
Kemudian Baroness dan Scarlet bertarung untuk menyelamatkan neneknya Tommy.
Good of you to join us, Tommy-san.
Snake Eyes. Betray our trust again.
Kemudian di sini Kenta melawan Tommy, Scarlet, Baroness, Blendmaster, Heartmaster, dan Snake Eyes.
You should have killed me when you had the chance.
Setelah itu, Kenta dibawa oleh Snake Eyes untuk bertarung di tempat latihannya dia sebelumnya. Setelah itu, permata dikembalikan ke tempatnya, dan ada sedikit obrolan di sini.
I will be the last of a family to lead. There is always a choice. Our clans were north.
It is my blood right! serve no one.
Lalu di sini Snake Eyes ngobrol dengan Scarlet.
Well, this might be useful.
Oh, excuse me. My commander.
He kept you off the grid to protect you.
At the cost of his own.
Surprised he was willing to pay to make.
Saying I could be a Joe.
Anything's possible.
Setelah itu Snake Eyes pergi dan film pun tomato. Terima kasih sudah menonton video ini. Maaf jika ada salah-salah kata. Jika kalian suka bisa tinggalkan like. Dan jangan lupa subscribe serta nyalakan loncengnya supaya tidak ketinggalan video-video selanjutnya. Boleh juga dibagikan ke sanak saudara serta teman-teman kalian. Jika ingin request film apa lagi yang akan dibahas selanjutnya, silahkan DM ke Instagram saya atau bisa juga ketik-ketik di kolom komentar. Akhir kata saya ucapkan terima kasih.